Yes, so what we have done, 0.666, so first 6 common, first decimal to be removed and then 6 common. So 1 by 10, 1 by 11 by 100, 111 by 1000 till n terms, then 9 multiply, 9 divide. And this 9 I can write as 10 minus 1 by 10. This has come out to be 10 square minus 1 by 10 square. Then come out to be 10 cube minus 1 by 10 cube till n terms common. Now what I should do here, we will write 10 by 10 is 1 minus 1 by 10. 10 square by 10 square, this is 1 minus 1 by 10 square. Then come out to be 1 minus 1 by 10 cube till n terms are there. Then we will be having two series. One will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 till how many terms? We will have n terms. And second series will be minus, it is 1 by 10, 1 by 10 square, 1 by 10 cube till n terms. And then what is the first part we have? This will be 1, 1, 1 n times, so it will be n minus. It is a GP now. First term will be 1 by 10. Common difference is 1 by, common ratio is 1 by 10. So formula is A. A will be 1 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 10 power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. So this will be the answer we will be having. Right, next question please. Determine the number of terms in GP. Determine the number of terms in GP. If A1 is 3, AN is 96, and SN is 189. A1 given 3, AN is 96, SN is given 189. My question is, find how many terms are there in the series. How many terms are there in the series? Yes, please. A1 is 3, so A we have 3. Nth term is A R n minus 1 is 96. Sn is what? A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 is 189. If you solve it, what it will come? A R n minus 1 into R. Can you write? You remember that formula? Last term is already given in the question, 96. So A R n will write as A R n minus 1 into R minus A by R minus 1 is 189. Is it the last term? Yes. And what is the last term we have? 96. So I got it 96 R minus A. A is already 3. Divided by R minus 1 is 189. Then what I get here, 96 R minus 3 will be 189 R minus of 189. 189 will go this side, so 189 minus 3 will be 189R minus 96R. Yes, please, what to do? ये कितना आएगा 180, ये 93 आ रहा है. What this will come then? 186. Is it double of it? Yes. So R is coming 2. And if R is 2, A is there, so I can get N now from this. A is already known 3. R is 2, so 2 power N minus 1 is 96. Then 332. What this will be? 2 power N minus 1 is 2 power 5. That means N minus 1 is coming 5, N is coming 6.
So can you please explain the second step again?
Which one? This one?
The second step. Yes, sir.
ARN minus AR. We will write this as ARN minus A by R minus 1. Nothing wrong in it. ARN I can write as ARN minus 1 into R minus A by R minus 1. This formula already I told you last time. ये L होता है last term. LR minus A by R minus 1. ARN minus 1 is already known to you 96. तो ये आपका हो गया 96 R minus A. A is already 3 by R minus 1. So I should say 96 R minus 3 by R minus 1 is 189. Then I should write 96 R minus 3 will be 189 R minus 189. Then it will be 186 is 93 R. R will be coming 2. Now I'll go on this part again. A value is known 3, R is given 2, so can you get N? Just check here, 3 into 2 power N minus 1 is 96. Or I should say 2 power N minus 1 is 32, also 2 power N minus 1 is 2 power 5. That indicate N minus 1 is 5, so N is coming 6. Next question please. If S1, S2 and S3, if S1, S2 and S3 be respectively the sum of n terms, sum of 2n terms and sum of 3n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms denoted by S1, sum of 2n terms denoted by S2, sum of 3n terms denoted by S3. Then question is, prove that S of 1 into S3 minus S2 should be equal to S2 minus S1 whole square. This is the question we have to prove. Sn is the sum of n terms which is denoted by S1, S2n sum of 2n terms denoted by S2, S of 3n terms denoted by S3. My question is, you prove this result. Yes, please. Sn. What I should write to it? It will be A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. S2 will be A R power 2n minus 1 by R minus 1. Then we have S3, it will be A R power 3n minus 1 by R minus 1. So all the three values are known now, S1, S2 and S3. Is this clear? Formulas only we have placed. Sum of n terms formula, sum of 2n terms formula, sum of 3n terms formula. Now I'll want this is equal to this. So any one side you can start. So let we are taking left hand side. So when you start with the left hand side, I have S1 into S3 minus S2. S1 is what? A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. And S3 will be A R power 3n minus 1 by R minus 1. And third will be A R power 2n minus 1 by R minus 1. So I've simply written the value of S1, S2 and S3. And now I want it should be a whole square. So whole square convert करने के लिए you need a simplification of it. So we will try that simplification. A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 we will write. Is it giving A by R minus 1 common or no? A by R minus 1 we will take common. Left is R power 3n minus 1 minus R power 2n minus 1. This one clearly gone. Is it right? Then what I get here? A square, because I want perfect squares here. A square is there, then R minus 1 whole square is there, still R power n minus 1, which is not a whole square. What will come here? It will be R power 3n minus R power 2n. What will be common in the 2? R power 2n is common. Left is what? R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 whole square. Just check all our whole squares now. A square आ गया, R power n और R power n minus 1 कौन से कॉमन आएंगे? Multiplication है. This and this will be whole square. This is also a whole square. This is also a whole square. So what I should do here now, all will be perfect square. What I write here? A R power n minus 1 R power n by R power R minus 1 and इस पूरे का whole square. ये स्टेप क्लियर होना चाहिए. A स्क्वायर है ये रहा. R power n minus 1 R power n minus 1 whole square है तो ये रहा. R power 2n is there, so R power n whole square, and R minus 1 whole square is there, so we have written this. Then we will write this result as A R power 2n minus R power n by R minus 1 whole square. Till now it's clear? Yes, please. Anyone? Any doubt? No. Just check here. A. I want S2 minus S1. So what I do here in this case, R power 2n minus 1 minus this I'll write as R power n minus 1. So one added and one subtract. Minus 1 and this is plus 1. So one add, one subtract. So this will be a clear formula, this will be a clear formula. So one added, one subtracted. And split this in two parts now. A R power 2n minus 1 by R minus 1 minus A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. And it was whole square? Yes, so it is a whole square. And when it is a whole square, I should write this as S2 minus S1 whole square. Next question, please. Another important question, NCERT problem we have. If capital S, is there any doubt in this question? Please practice these questions. If capital S be the sum of n terms of GP, P is the product of n terms of GP, and capital R is sum of reciprocals. Capital R is the sum of reciprocals of n terms of GP. Then my question is, prove that S by R whole power n comes out to be P square. We have to prove S by R whole power n is P square, where S is the sum of n terms of GP, P is the product of n terms of GP, R will be the sum of the reciprocal of n terms of GP. Yes, please. What is S formula? Sum of n terms of GP, A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. या फिर एक काम करें, ये तो लिखना ही है, इसको आप सीधा लिख दो, A plus AR plus AR square till AR n minus 1. 40. P is the product of n terms of GP, so A into AR squared till AR n minus 1. And R will be the sum of reciprocals, so 1 by A plus 1 by AR plus 1 by AR squared till 1 by AR n minus 1.
So you with the GP as 1 by A minus.
Yes. We know the formula, this is a GP. In this case, power will add up, and in this case, again, it's a GP. So you know what is S? S is what? A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. This is S value. Here, when you take, it will be A into A into A into A. How many? A power n.
1 plus 1.
R power क्या होगा आपका? R power होगा 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n minus 1. It is another GP. What I should have in this case? A will be what? 1 by A.
1 minus.
Keep in mind here, this is R you have taken greater than 1. ये वाला फॉर्मूला आपने यूज किया है, तो 1 by R आपका less than 1 हो जाएगा. Because R is greater than 1, so if you reciprocate it, it will come less than 1. इसका मतलब यहाँ वाला फॉर्मूला बनेगा 1 minus 1 by R whole power n whole divided by 1 minus 1 by R. So I got the value of S, I got the value of P, I got the value of 1 R only. इसको भी आप solve कर लो. 1 by A, R power n is our LCM, so it will be R power n minus 1. This will come R minus 1 by R. So I got the value of S, I got the value of P, I got the value of R. Okay, further simplification. S में तो कोई simplification नहीं है. S we will write as A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. But what about P? P में देखो a power n आपके पास ऑलरेडी है.
Sir,
Is it AP?
sir, ये आया तो शुरू करोगे.
ये
इसकी power R.
it was a into AR squared till AR n minus 1. A into A into A into A into A, how many times? A power n. R की power क्या होगी? Base is same, so power will add up. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n minus 1. It is here. Now, this is AP now. How many terms? N minus 1 terms. So I write down R. Total terms are n minus 1 by 2. A plus L I can use. 1 plus n minus 1. This one gone. So I got this as a power n, r power ये n हो गया. L into n minus 1 by 2 is your p. And this will be the reciprocal sum capital R. ये किसके इक्वल होगा? इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 1 by a r power n minus 1 by r power n into r minus 1 power by r. This is sum of reciprocals. This is the product we have. This is the sum we have. Is there any doubt? Please ask. Shall we go further? Now only the thing is you should put the value here. So now I want S by R whole power n. S will be what? A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. By R. Is it right? And its whole power come out to be n. Something cancel out. ये टर्म पूरी पूरी कट रही है. Right? These three terms will go in the numerator.
So ये divide हो. ये मतलब नीचे denominator
तो ये सब ऊपर जाएंगे ना. और ये r minus 1 नीचे आएगा. कौन सा? ये गड़बड़ हो रहा है.
शायद इसमें divide.
This was what? 1 by a. This was 1 minus 1 by r. So what I got here? 1 by a r power n minus 1 by r power n, and here it will be
R minus
1 by r. Sorry, तो ये reciprocal होना चाहिए. ये आएगा आपका r by r minus. Right.
R minus.
Yes, is it clear? So r minus 1 also get cancelled out. This a r power n will go up. So what I get here? A square r power n whole divided by what? R. These two terms will go up. R is still there. Whole power what? N. Now we will solve it further. It will come a power 2n.
R minus.
ये r power n minus 1 हो गया. So r power n minus 1 और n और आ गया बाहर से n.
So दोनों terms.
Is it right? I want the square here. Square अगर चाहिए तो ये तो square है. इसको भी square बना लेते हैं by 2 into 2 करके. Is this clear? So what I get here is square is here, square is here. So what I get here? A power n, r power n, n minus 1 by 2, and इस पूरे की power whole square. Is it your p, Veera? So got the answer p square. So another good question we have. Here, this one mistake we have done, so that I've simplified, changed it, and then you got the answer. This was NCERT problem. One more question, write down, please. A person writes a letter. A person writes a letter to 4 of his friends. To 4 of his friends. He asked each one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different friends or 4 different persons, with the instruction that they move the chain similarly.
Could you repeat?
I'll repeat. A person writes a letter to 4 of his friends and he asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons, with instruction that they move the chain similarly. Assuming that chain is not broken and it cost 50 paisa to mail one letter. Then find the amount spent on postage. Then find the amount spent on the postage when 8 set of letter is mailed. 8 set of letter is mailed. This is first person. How many letters he is writing? 4. A, B, C, D. Then these persons mail 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4. पहले लेटर कितना भेजा है? पहली मेल कितने गए हैं? 4 मेल्स पर गया, गॉन. अब कितना होगा? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So what it will be? 4 power?
Sir, पहले तो 16 है.
So 4 into 4 it will be?
Not 16. Sir, आपने 4 into 4 बोला, 4 plus 4 plus 4.
4 into 4 हो गया ना?
नहीं, पहले आपने बोला.
Okay, okay. First one is 4. How many letters in first chain are going? 4. Second chain it will be 4 into 4. 16. अब next वाली क्या आएगी? 16 persons are there and each is mailing 4. So it will be 16 into 4. So that means 4 into 4 into 4. So on it goes. How many set of mails gone? 8. 8 set of mail gone. तो इसका मतलब 8 terms are completed. ये first set है, ये second set है, third set है. 8 terms are there. So how many mails are dispatched? That means sum of these letters we should find out. So first we find out sum of 8 terms in the series. A will be 4. What is common ratio? 4. Just check here. 4 power 8 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. This is the number of letters which are mailed. And now the question says that the cost of each mail is 50 paisa, means half the rupee. So that means the cost when we ask, what it will come? 4 into 4 power 8 minus 1 by 3 into half. You can solve it, you get the amount. Next question, please. Find the sum of n terms of this sequence: x plus 1 by x whole square, x square plus 1 by x square whole square, x power 3 plus 1 by x cube whole square, so on. I want sum of n terms. Sum of n terms to be calculated. Yes. Now in this case, if you just take this by this, they are not forming a GP. So what I should do here, I'll open this. And we want the sum of n terms. So first term will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Second में क्या आएगा? X power 4 1 by x power 4 plus 2. Then आएगा x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 2. Till how many terms? N terms. Then what you will find? X square, x4, x6. This will be one of the series. This is n terms. Then second series will be 1 by x square plus 1 by x4 till n terms again. And the last term will be what? 2 plus 2 plus 2 till n terms. It is a GP of n terms, it is a GP of n terms, it is a GP of n terms. What this will come? Formula says A will be x square, x square power n minus 1 by x square minus. What this will come? 1 by x square, 1 minus 1 by x square whole power n by 1 minus 1 by x. And what about the third case? 2, 2, 2, 2. So it will be 2n. This will be the answer. Next question, please. Find the sum of n terms of a sequence. Find the sum of n terms of a sequence where nth term is 2 power n plus 3n, where n stands for natural number. Find the sum of n terms of this sequence. Find the sum of n terms of this sequence. Now, whenever you have this type of question, you should find out the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we should find out it is a GP or not. Then according to that, we go for the question. First, when you go for A1, this will come 2 plus 3. Don't solve it, keep it as it is. Then go for A2. What this will come? 2 square, and this will be 6. Then you go for A3. 2 cube plus 3 3s are 9. Then we go for A4. 2 power 4 plus 3 into 4, 12, so on. Yes. Now there are two series visible, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2, 4, and another is 3, 6, 9, 12. So two series are there, one is AP, another is GP. So when you want the sum of n terms, we will write this as 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube till n terms. Another will be 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 till n. This is our GP, so n terms formula says 2 to power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1.
by
This is an AP,
by 2 6.
so it will be n by 2